Kidzo kids.
Blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, orange color, pink color. Hello kids! Let us write alphabets from A to Z. Letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, letter F, letter G, letter H, letter I, letter J, letter K, letter L, letter M, letter N, letter O, letter P, letter Q, letter R, letter S, letter T, letter U, letter V, letter W, letter X, letter Y, letter Z. Good job, kids! Keep writing and learning.
Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.